Let's use Magic Grab and Grab Text tools. Alright, here's my shark again eating that pepperoni pizza, and I click on the edit button and all of those great tools are going to appear on the left hand side. Alright, so there's a ton of them in here that I can use to edit this picture here, but the one I'm going to focus on is under the Magic Studio up here at the top, and we have Magic Grab. Now once again I have the brush or I have the click, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the brush first. I'm going to make my brush, that's a good size, and I'm going to go ahead and just manually highlight that. I'm going to say grab it, and once it grabs it, now I can move it wherever I want on the page. Imagine that. Imagine you're taking elements out of an image and putting them somewhere else within the image. That is really amazing. Love it. Love it. Alright, so that's Magic Grab. But what about Text Grab? So let's take a look at Text Grab. So we're going to say grab text, click on that, and I'm going to add something to this image because this image doesn't have any text. I'm going to go ahead and add our logo here to it. So put that right in there and kind of shrink it down just a little bit, make it easier to find. And now I can actually grab the text out of that. So I'm going to go ahead and click the grab text again. And it's going to say, okay, what text do you want? And it's already trying to find all the text. So I'm like, okay, yeah, that piece right there. Let's use that piece. So now I grab it straight off. Look at that. It's coming off the image. I can put it anywhere I want. So this might be good, like if you're looking for a specific font or you have a specific way you want something to look, you can actually take it off of something else and put it into a new image. Pretty darn cool. And you can do all text or just part of the text as well. Isn't that amazing? Love it. So that's grab text and Magic Grab. And we can do that and pull out text and pull out parts of your image and put them into another part of your image that you're working on. This is pretty amazing. This is really high-tech stuff. And again, it's free because it's in Canva and you're a teacher. Amazing. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Canva.